Hello friends, I got it one requirement that like I need to restore multiple BAK well restore header information into one table. This is what my requirement is. If I execute like this, if click execute, so I will get different kind of windows. Okay, and that too I need to write manually. So here, what I did, I am already I'm having a script here. You just mention the file path where the multiple BAK files exist. And remember one thing, I am doing this in SQL Server 2022. So what are the columns that support restore header in 2012? That tables that column should be there. Whatever version you are doing. For example, if you are doing in 2012, in 2012 all these columns might not exist. So are there, if not exist, you have to remove it, right? So what are the columns that are there in further versions, you need to add accordingly here. So once you got it that right, so I will show you the difference. I am doing all these in 51 sessions. See how I am getting. For example, if I am having multiple revision scripts, I will get multiple windows, right? So I don't like this. See, if I click execute here, I'm using cursor and everything, and I'm making that into one table, like slash header table. Click execute. So now I got all the restored header information for multiple BAK files into single table. So I'm going to provide this script in the comment box, and you just download and use it and let me know how it could be useful for you. Thank you. Bye.